So how are you?
Good. How about yourself?
I'm very well, thank you. Thank you for
Okay.
asking. But how about me? It's about you.
Okay.
So let's start from the top. Tell us about your brand. I don't want to name it. I want you to name it.
Want me to name? Okay. So my brand is Boss Behavior Clothing. It's based out of Atlanta, Georgia, in the United States. Cause you are in the UK. Really. And we sell hoodie, shirts, hats. We sell pool slides, and it's the unisex, so it's for men, women, and kids.
Absolutely. Just been trailing through the website. There's some really good designs on there.
Oh, thank you.
My favorite is the it's like a multi-tone. So it has one color on one leg, one color on the other.
Oh,
Um,
okay,
yeah, actually
okay.
very popular. So it's sold out at the
Thank-
moment.
yeah.
What's the deal with if it's sold out, is it gonna come back or is the demand just too high?
Well, for the those pants, I don't think I'm gonna restock, so I'm gonna take them off the website soon. Yeah, they're not coming back. I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's cool. What we're waiting. There's some really good designs in there.
Thank
Um,
you.
so let's rewind a bit, right? So what got you into the clothing design?
I love clothes. I love fashion. I love mixing colors together. I love getting dressed just to go out. So me spending so much money at the mall, I just decided to invest in myself and start my own brand. And it's going really well. My kids love to wear it. My husband, all my family and friends. So it just kept me going. I just kept going.
That is really nice. So how long have you been doing this then?
So this will be my 9th year. Well,
Wow.
2022. Yeah, 2022. So I just need, right now, I'm just trying to work on expanding it and work on just pushing and getting more inventory to make it bigger and bigger
Wow.
and bigger.
No, well, we're right behind you because
Oh,
there's some really good. I like that, as you said, you like to mix colors, and you can see that you can see that even on the website. It's very vibrant. I
oh,
really love
thank
the
you.
top you're wearing. I love that specific red. That's really nice.
Thank you. And I like your
Um,
hat.
well, thank you very much. So I see you do from face mask, you do slippers, you do bikinis. Well, obviously t-shirt is a given. It's
Mhm.
absolutely amazing that they, I didn't even know that, before about doing a branding, but you never think about, oh yeah, all these different things, but there's something for everybody.
Yeah.
No matter who
Mhm.
you are, and at really reasonable prices as well, which is, we love a good bargain. So it's good quality for money, you know.
Oh, good. Thank you.
Um, so, and what's your sort of aspiration? What do you want to gain from it? What's the dream?
Well, definitely generational wealth. I want to be able to pass it down to my kids, their kids, have income coming, while you're in your sleep. It's just amazing. Yeah. And I love marketing. So it's just fun. It's a fun experience. It's not stressful. I mean, you have your times when you have to get certain things done and you want to, move faster than what's going. But it's really fun. I enjoy doing it. And it don't seem
Mm,
like work at all. So I want it, my goal is it to be the only thing I'm working on.
that
Everything
is
else. Hmm.
you're dedicating all your energy to it.
Right. So
Um,
I can quit my 9 to 5.
no,
That's the
that is
goal.
no that well, it's a good dream, and yeah, I'm sure I've seen them, through the website, and I really can't wait to get my hands on some of them, um, just to actually test it and go like, yep, I'm both behavior, you know, I've been boss behavior. Would that be the right word? I've been bossed.
Boss
What's your
behavior. Yep.
tagline?
Yeah, when we finish, send me your address. I'd love to send you something. I just need a
Oh,
picture.
okay.
Make sure you take a picture.
Ah, okay. Well, we've got a deal then. We definitely have a deal.
Okay.
So what's the tagline to Boss Behavior?
Well, first it started. Okay, so we have a lot of taglines because first it started as us as a gang, because it was a lot of people wearing it, so we called it a gang. But now it's a lot of people wearing it, so now we call it an army. So we say Boss Behavior, it's an army. So we tell everybody to join the army. You see somebody with it on, oh, we together. It's like
That's it.
mm-hmm.
That
Like
is
a
perfect.
community, a brotherhood.
Yep, we're joining that. We're joining that.
Yeah, we
So,
joined the
well,
army. We got it on together.
what is I suppose listening to my next question of what is behind the name Boss Behavior? Is that just you feel like a boss? Very you want to be a boss?
Yeah, you gotta have some goals and aspirations, and it's just the culture. So Boss Behavior, it stands for the culture, family, love, entrepreneurship, innovation. So with my brand, I want you to be able to stand out in a crowd, because a lot of people wearing the same thing, everybody have on the same thing. So when you have on Boss Behavior, they want to read it, they want to know what you get it from. You look different, you stand out in the crowd. And in fashion, that's what you want to do. You want to be able to turn heads. You don't want to look like everybody. And that's my thing. You want to be different.
That is it, because we're all unique and we're all individuals. We all have something to contribute, but a lot of the time we kind of just go with the flow, just blend in. When we should definitely
mix it
embrace
up, look nice, make it real for me.
definitely. So we're definitely feel like when you wear it, you look like a boss. So
right. And that's for anything with fashion. As long as when you put on nice clothes, no matter where you from, nobody know. You look nice, babe, brush your teeth, comb your hair, put on nice clothes. You could stand in the room with anybody.
That's it. That is perfect answer right there. So and where can we get this brand? Where can we get our hands on some? Where should we go to?
So we have a website, as you mentioned, it's bossbehavior.com. You can follow us on Instagram, boss_behavior. Then we have a page where we have our lookbook. So it only contains our clothing, and it's Boss Behavior Clothing. And that's on Instagram as well. And then everything on social media is boss_behavior. It's Twitter and Instagram and Facebook. Boss Behavior Clothing. Bossbehavior.com.
Bossbehavior.com. We'll be there to definitely check out the website. For the Instagram and the Facebook, we'll definitely go there and like and subscribe so we can get this. They're coming off, as I call it, fresh off the press.
Right.
Yeah, no, absolutely. So, well, as we're kind of wrapping up really quickly, what do what makes your design, what makes it different to the rest of them all out there, all the big names? What makes yours different?
What made mine different? Because it's something that I think my vision when I first started, I wanted to be able to dress the whole family. So if you and your son want to dress alike today, you all can step out in the same clothes, no matter if it's a little baby, because I said infant clothes, or you and your daughter, or you your spouse and your kids. Everybody can have on the same thing. That was my vision in the beginning. So that's what it's all about. I wanted to be able to family.
Yeah. So in that unity and family, just
yes, unity. That's the word, unity.
That's great. That's great. Well, thank you very much for joining us. And we'll be definitely sure to come and check you out. But is there something you would like to say to your viewers? Or a message you'd like to send to them?
Yeah. Well, thanks everybody for supporting me. Thanks for all these years, keeping me motivated. I promise to make it bigger and bigger and better. I'm gonna develop a strong team this year. You're gonna be able to see it all around the world. I promise you. Coming soon. That's it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming. Yeah, we'll see you again pretty soon. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Bye bye.